Hey, in this video, I will tell you how to sum a columns, sum the sales range, and the 3 points you need to pay attention when you click here to sum anything you want. First, how can we sum these sales? So you just need to put the result. So I put the sum result here, click here, double click home, then you will find an autosum. Just click here. So here there will be a G2 G9. There's G2 and G9, then enter. So we got the sum of them. This is really easy, right? It's a sum range. So if I just want to sum a female like this one, this color cells. So how? So we need to equals sum, then double click here. So click the cells you want, click, then common, click here, common, and the range. You don't need the cells. You can just to hold on these two cells as a range, then comment the last cells, then enter. So you got the females cells. So how can I get this totally G column cells? So here you just put the columns result here, then sum equals sum, then move your mouse to the G columns. Then here is a G columns, not here is G columns. Then the mouse will be alone. Just click here with G and G. So it means G the columns, then enter. So when I enter the new numbers here, it will be 8 by this one. So why not sum of this one? So I just click here and G columns, then will be an arrows, enter. Then here is more circles reference, means you can't add the columns that include yourself, so you must be other columns like this one, sum of the G columns. Okay, here is. So when I use the filter like this, if I filter the females, I want to just click these cells. And how can I do this one? So here I click just sub, then you will find 3 formulas. Then second one, select second one, and plus 9 comment. 9 means sum. Yeah, here 9 means sum. So we comment. That's the second is the range here. That means I want to G2 to G9 to sum of them, then enter. So it's really different from sum here. Here I click here. So when I use the filter, I filter the females, then you will see the sum is the totally contain the low hit. So the subtotal just sum of this one. Okay, then if I want more like finance, then okay, then it will just be these two cells. Here is the difference between sum and subtotal. So here next I will show you 3 you need to pay attention when you sum something like this one. Here is a space here. When you click here and in sum autosum, then enter, you will find it's just sum from K5 to K9, not K2 and K3 here, because there is an empty here. The Excel will think this is 2 tables. They are not 1 table. So it just sum the tables was allowed him. Okay, here is the sum, and the second usually we always download the data from the systems like ERP, like anything sales systems. So the data was text. So I will change its text. Actually, here, then the data was text. You must say it's same as the numbers. No, it's text numbers. So what's the difference between them? If I just click the first one, then they will green here. So it's a notice. Let's click it, and it will be numbers don't as a text. That means it's a text numbers. It's just like it's look like numbers, but it's actually is a text. It can't be sum here. You can't be sum here. So in the left, in the front, so we select here. You will find is a sum, max, number code, average. So here we just count it. Okay. So how to sum them? When I click here, I type sum and enter. You will find it doesn't work. The formula is formula. It doesn't run. It doesn't work. So how? We click here and home. Then change it to normal, January. If it's January, you just click January again. No matter what is January, you must click again, and it doesn't work too. So the next step is double click here and enter. Then it will work. But the result is 0. Why? Because it's text. It's text formula. So we need to click here to change convert to number. So when I select here, it doesn't message. We must select the cells which first one is with the notice. So select here and click here and convert to number. So when we convert to number, then we will see it will be sum here. So I select here, it will be a sum max. It can be work as a numbers. So this is actually this is the most I meet. There are so many people was make mistake in this formula. So the second one is here. So if I don't want to convert to number, is anywhere else sum, and we need to do 2 minus symbol, 2 minus sign. Here we just click here, select here. So what means of them? We 2 minus change the D to D9 as a number is enter. So we just click it to general, enter. So we got the numbers 2. So here's a good way to. So choose what you like. So second, the last, pay attention to sum here. Here we got a sum here. So we as usually to get a sum here. Sum this range, enter. It's just sum this one, this 3. Okay, but not this one. Why? Here is a space here. We need to delete space. So if it's too much space, how we do? So we can select here, home, and what? Find and select. Find the replace here. Then in the replace, we need to enter a space. And in the replace with, we don't enter anything. So select what you average. Select range you want to replace. Not here, is here. So it's just replace all. Then it will be replace the space in the range. Then it will a message box. Like we made 4 replace. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here's replace, and it doesn't work again. Why? Here is a dollar. So we need to delete dollars, delete cents, and delete any words. So it can be same. So here, if it's too much numbers, text numbers, how we do? So to find the lane immediately. So home here, condition. Here is a color scales. We choose anyone you like here. Click. Then you will see if a number was as a text, it can be colored. It can be colored as a Lurie numbers. So just to find them and to find y. To find y. Yep. Here is the show. Here's the pay attention. You need to pay attention in these 3 situations. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.